Hi, today we're gonna learn about the tutorial on how to use the formula of Microsoft Excel, how to use the formula of index match. So in this opportunity, we will learn about the tutorial of the formula of index match used on Microsoft Excel. So here we also learn together. I also learned together the tutorial of index match, and I think I want to give you some tutorial how to use it and why we do using it, the formula of index match, because it is more powerful with VLOOKUP formula on Microsoft Excel. And that's the examples of how to use the formula of index match on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you can see here on your screens there's some new about the drinks or beverages, and then it's about beverages on small size, medium, large, and super large. So before we use the formula of index and match, because I think that it is a separated formula. It's about index and match, but it is often combined together. So the analogy will be the formula of index is how to look for index will be like maps, and then there are many regions and there are informations, and we need to look for the informations on the regions. That's the functions of index. And to get the informations from the index or from the maps, from that maps and regions, so you need to look for the horizontally the informations, and it's about index. Okay, so it results which column or which maps that you need to input on uh, the files. And so for example, the formula of index is used to look for the value of prices on some areas or some types of data, and small, medium, large, and super large. And you can see here, for example, there's a menu about cappuccino, then the size large, and then the price, how much the cappuccino having a large size here. So we need to use the index to search the price here from the menu and size, because I think that there are many data, for example, thousands or and many more. Okay, the formula would like this. So you can see on your screen equal to sign index, and then open the brackets b2 until e7. Okay, b2 until e7, because that's columns contains or cells contains price, all of the price, and then comma 2. Okay, and then 3. Okay, 2 and then 3. 2 is the positions of cappuccino, and then 3 is the positions of large size. Okay, cappuccino is on the second rows, and then large size is on the third column on the price is a list. Okay, and then close the brackets and enter. Okay, so we must to input the value absolutely. Okay, cappuccino on the second rows and then large on the third column on price list. So if you have many data, there are thousands rows or 500, so it is impossible to look for manually about it. And cappuccino, oh, you can see here cappuccino is on the second rows and the large is on the third column, so it is impossible to look for manually one by one. So we need to use the match formula on the Microsoft Excel. So match will show the cappuccino which column contains cappuccino, which column contains large size. So how to use the formula of match on the Microsoft Excel? Here is the uh, method to use it. Okay, maybe we'll try one by one. Firstly, okay, so from the sorry, on the second rows, okay, match, okay, match, and then open the brackets. Okay, we can get from the menu here from cappuccino that is typed on the uh, another areas of the tables. Okay, so okay, H2 then comma A2 until A7 because it's about the column or rows containing menu, then comma O, okay, or null, it is null or zero, okay, zero, and then to look for true, the value of true, and then closed bracket and then comma and 3, okay, 3 is on the third column of large, okay, okay, and then enter, okay, to the thousands, yes, okay, okay, so which rows contains cappuccino on the menu list, okay, okay, so there are latte, cappuccino, americano, green tea latte, and etc. So we find it difficult to look for the cappuccino, so we need to look for here. Okay, so we will search again here. So this from third column. So for example, we do not know about which column contains a large size, so we need to use the match. Okay, it's the same, automatically match function, comma match. So there are two formulas of match on this. Okay, match and then add 3, as you can see here, as the reference cells as the large that you type on another areas of large, and then comma P1 until E1. Okay, you can see P1 until E1 as the menu of sizes. It's a small, medium, large, and super large, and then comma and O, okay, as the absolute values. Okay, and then close the brackets with 2 until the bracket closed colors will be black. Okay, and then enter. So 30,000. Okay, so if we change the menu here as Americano from the cappuccino, so Microsoft Excel will change automatically the value as price here, median. Okay, so we do not need to type and then to look for manually one by one to know about the price of each menu list on the table. That's the functions of index and match formulas on Microsoft Excel. Okay, for example, you need to know about Americano. Just type Americano on the reference table, and then size, menu, and then the price will automatically be changed by Microsoft Excel with the formulas. Okay, so you can see here for another table like the uh, schedule of train station, or which stations that contains your trains, and or there are multiplies table and etc data that you need to know. So good luck for trying the formula of index and match formulas for Microsoft Excel. so it will be important on the education world, all your jobs or your works, and hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.